What's up, YouTube? Just doing a quick video. We're out here smoking some steaks and starting on cleaning up the yard in the garage. Got my new wrecker, Rick Murphy's diesel shirted. Love it, fits great. Highly recommend you buy one. Let me flip this camera around. So we're gonna get the C30 or the C10 out because I have the dually, the C30 coming. I just ordered a lift kit for my wife's cart that I've been building and never had time for, so we just ordered the 8-inch long travel kit for this. I've got all these golf carts out here. I need to slowly get in here and get done and sold. Put together a swing set today for my son, and then I got all those golf carts over there. Let's see how these steaks are looking. Looking pretty good. Smoked some New York strips with some peppers and onions. And then the Harley. It's a 2000 Softail Deuce. I'm actually thinking about selling it. I haven't rode it in probably 3 years. I had the seat done. I had it custom painted. It's a factory Renault color. It goes like green, gold, and black and yellow. So it's a 2000 Softail Deuce. Last year, the carburetor. I think it's only got 15,690 miles. But it's real dirty. It sat outside for a little bit. I gotta get it cleaned up, polished back up, and put a new back tire on it. But this bike's gonna be for sale, probably for around between 4,500 and 6,000 bucks. So I can shift in gears. Like I said, I don't ride no more. I have no interest in riding no more. The bike doesn't cost me nothing to sit here, but it's just taking up space when somebody else could use it. After I got her cart painted, the steel with gold pearl, I never finished reassembling it, so that's on the list. We got to get this messy garage cleaned up, put all the golf carts in here, and then, like I said, I'm going to drag this 68 C10 out and take it to the shop, and we're going to get an engine put back in it, get all the air ride working again, and hopefully drive it this year. My daughter wants to drive it, so I need to dig it out. Oh, the bike does have that roll pack up there has speakers in it, and then there's the amp and everything is down in there. It's just really dirty from sitting. It needs to be cleaned up. Last time it was plated, as you can see, it was 22. So, got Johnny Cash riding with you. But I didn't realize how dirty it was. I should have brought it in a lot sooner. But so we're going to get the yard cleaned up. I got to get some of this driveway redone. It's all busted up. And then this tree is actually getting cut down in a week. We swapped a motor and a tree chipper, a Cummins 12 valve. And that was last year. The dude was supposed to come and cut this tree as payment. And he's just now getting around to it. But I think that'll wrap it up. So everybody have a good Easter. And we're pretty slow this week on work, so I don't know how much content we'll have. I'm actually working on another video, so I'll get that uploaded. So enjoy your weekend, everybody. Thanks for watching.